What's up, y'all? Thank you for tuning in today. So, it is February, and I got a request to make a Valentine's Day video. So, at first, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I celebrate Valentine's Day. I go out, but if it's nothing that I have to do. So, if I go out, that's great. If I do something, that's great. If I don't, that's great too. So I was really trying to think about what it is that I can do as a video. So I read this article about having a picnic in your house, which I think is really cute. So, it's something that you could do with your boo if you have one. It's something that you can do with your girls, with your friends. It's inexpensive depending on what you make to eat for this picnic. But you could really dress it up. You could dress it down. And it's cold outside too. So, if you just want to stay inside and chill. So, you could really set the mood by lighting candles, doing something with the light or whatever. Or it could just be real chill, put on pajamas and, have like a little game night or like a little movie night with your picnic in the living room. So, you can really customize it to what you want to do. So what I am going to be making for this picnic is like a shrimp and sausage boil, which, if you don't make it now, next month is Mardi Gras, so you got some time. And I'll be making guacamole for the appetizer. No, it doesn't fit the Cajun Creole theme, y'all, but I could eat guacamole and avocado with anything, anytime, anywhere. So that's going to be the appetizer. And then for the dessert, I have strawberries, whipped cream, and a chocolate wine that I am very desperate to try. If you would like to see how I put this picnic together, this picnic basket together, then please keep watching. Okay, y'all, so for the guacamole, I am keeping it very simple. I don't really have any measurements for what's going to go in it. You can just base it off of how many avocados you're using. So I have 2 avocados, some chopped onions, some chopped tomatoes, some cilantro. I'm also going to be using lime juice, salt, and some jalapeno pepper. got my picnic basket going. I got the rose petals in here to make it all cute. So I got these from Walmart. They were $1. But feel free to go and get real rose petals. I mean, it's always better, but you really can't tell. Well, yeah, you can't tell they're fake. But anywho, I'm gonna start with the appetizers. So I got my guacamole going. So I'm just gonna place that right there. I got my blue tortilla chips to go with the guacamole. And then for the main course, I put my shrimp boil in this little mason jar. So I don't even need a plate. I'm gonna eat directly out of there. Just make sure it's sealed tight. Sparkling water to go with the food. And for dessert, I have strawberries and the whipped cream. Y'all, I'm so excited for this little picnic. So, keeps rolling. We need to make space. Okay. And y'all, what I've been waiting for. The chocolate wine. Bam! Guess where it's from? $6.99. Aldi. So we'll see how that tastes. I got my wine glass so that I can drink my chocolate wine. And then I got a little bowl so I can go ahead and put the whipped cream in this bowl for the strawberries. Y'all can't tell me this picnic don't look bomb. Whoo! Okay, so here is my completed picnic basket. I really didn't do much. I just tied some ribbon and put this little heart stick there. I mean, feel free to decorate your basket. Feel free to leave your basket plain. I mean, the most important thing is the food anyway, right? Okay, guys, so I want to tell you who my Valentine is. They are, you know, they've been in my life for a while now, and they are truly my ride or die. It's my Tootsie Mommy, and she said she wanted to meet you guys. And she put on her little cute little Valentine Day bells. I didn't even have to tell you to sit. You're being so well behaved for you two, Mommy. So that concludes my Valentine's Day video for y'all. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.